Hello everyone, it's Karli from cookingwithkarli.com, and today we're doing another Crumbl taste test. So this week's cookies, we have the cereal milk with like Fruity Pebbles, and the waffle cookie, old-fashioned donut cookie, and the banana bread cookie. So let's take a look at these and we'll talk about exactly what they are and then give them a taste test. So we'll start with this banana cookie. It's like banana bread and then has a cream cheese glaze and brown sugar bits on it. This old-fashioned donut is like, apparently has like spices on it or something, and then like a donut glaze on top. I'm pretty fascinated with this one. It looks like they cut the hole after the fact, which is interesting to me. And then we have the waffle, which I'm excited to try this. This has been one of the most, if not the most requested cookie for me to replicate, but I couldn't replicate it without actually trying it. So this is what the cookie looks like, and it comes with some syrup. And then last but not least, this is a new one, the cereal milk Fruity Pebbles. This is like a mousse on the inside, like a cereal milk mousse. So I'm fascinated with that one also. So let's cut these in half and take a look, and we can taste test them. So I'm gonna cut into the donut one first. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty cakey, it feels like. Let's give it a taste. It's pretty dry, but I guess old-fashioned donuts are kind of dry. It's not great. It's not awful. It's like a 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10. It's not horrible, but it's not great. Okay, let's try the banana. Let me show you this really fast first. So that's the inside of it. It seems to be very soft. Give that a try. Tastes like banana bread. I don't get any cream cheese flavoring, but the brown sugar on top is really good. If you like banana bread, you'll like that cookie. Tastes just like banana bread. Okay, let's do cereal milk next. And we'll save this waffle one for last. Which, if you haven't gotten it, it's breakfast cookies this week. That's the theme we're going with, is breakfast. All right. Cereal milk featuring Fruity Pebbles. So that mousse inside is like orange. I don't see any actual Fruity Pebbles in the mousse, but we'll see. So it's mostly just like encrusted on the cookie, and this is a sugar cookie, and it is served chilled. However, I did just drive home for like 30 minutes after buying these, so that's not perfectly chilled anymore. All right. Here it goes. Oh, wow. That tastes just like cereal milk. That's funny. My kids are gonna love this. I kind of want to just figure out how to make this mousse in the middle. That's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. That one surprises me. I'll give that like a 7.5. Okay. Last but not least, we will do the waffle cookie. So I don't exactly know what this cookie base tastes like. It just says like a waffle cookie. This is vanilla buttercream though. It looks like butter. I'm supposed to drizzle with maple syrup. I'm gonna have to try it with and without. Should I drizzle or should I dunk? I feel like I should just dunk. I don't want to lose this. Okay, dunking a little bit. I mean, it's good. Does it taste like a waffle? Okay, I'll give it to him. That's good. And I don't really even like maple syrup that much, but I enjoyed that. That was very surprising. I would say that's a tie with the cereal milk. Okay, comment below. Let me know which one of these is your pick for me to recreate the recipe so you can have it and make it in your kitchen. And then also exciting news, tomorrow's video and new recipe that will be published on my website is a copycat of the cookie dough cookie. So stay tuned for that. Come back tomorrow and then make those cookies. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.